Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif unveils sculptures of Quaid-e-Azam and Mao Zedong by renowned Chinese artist Yuan Zikun. Welcome to new segment, and I am Tabinda Gul, and you are watching Desi TV USA, where we bring you a remarkable stories that underscore the strong and enduring friendship between Pakistan and China. A unique cultural event took place in Islamabad, uniting art, history, and diplomacy in an extraordinary way. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif unveiled iconic sculptures of two visionary leaders, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Chairman Mao Zedong, created by the celebrated Chinese sculptor Master Yuan Zikun. So let's explore these momentous occasions in detail. In a ceremony steeped in symbolism and history, Prime Minister Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif unveiled life-size sculptures of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Chairman Mao Zedong. The event held at the Prime Minister House in Islamabad on December 26, 2024, served as a testament to the long-standing friendship between Pakistan and China. The sculptures were the work of Master Yuan Zikun, a renowned Chinese sculptor whose art has often bridged cultures and celebrated historical milestones. These masterpieces, crafted with extraordinary intentions to detail, are not just work of art but also symbol of shared values and leadership that have shaped the story of both nations. Prime Minister Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif, addressing the gathering, highlighted the deep and strategic relationship between Pakistan and China. He praised the artwork as a profound representation of unity and mutual respect. These sculptures remind us of the visionary leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Chairman Mao, whose legacies continues to inspire our nation. He said that Master Yuan Zikun, speaking at the event, expressed his honor in creating these sculptures. He emphasized that the figures of Jinnah and Mao are more than historical icons. They are symbol of courage, resilience, and a shared dreams of progress for their people. The unveiling ceremony was attended by dignitaries, diplomats, and members of the artistic community from both countries. The event also featured speeches from cultural representatives who underscored the importance of such exchanges in strengthening bilateral ties. The sculpture will remain on display at the Prime Minister House as part of an exhibition open to visitors, serving as a visual reminder of the partnership between Pakistan and China. The event marks another milestone in a series of initiatives aimed at enhancing cultural and diplomatic exchanges between the two nations. This event not only celebrated the artistry of Master Yuan Zikun but also symbolized the shared aspirations of Pakistan and China, rooted in histories and carried forward through strong diplomatic ties. The unveiling of these sculptures is a powerful reminder of the visionary leadership that continues to inspire both nations. So thank you for joining us for this report. So stay tuned for more updates on the stories that shape our world. So this is me, Tabinda, signing off. Stay tuned for more news, Desi TV USA, DTVNN, and our OTT platform, DTV Flex, where you can access to over 3,000 channels. So stay tuned and stay with us.